Hello, teacher.
What's your name?
My name is Moon.
Moon, very good. Tell me please, how old are you?
I'm 5.
5. Where is number 5 over there? Okay, yes, this is number 5. And Moon, where are you from?
I'm from Vietnam.
That's from Vietnam. Yes, very good. Tell me please, what animal do you like?
I like cat.
Cat. Where is the cat there? Good, that is a cat. Moon, tell me please, how are you today? Are you hungry, angry, thirsty, scared, sad, or happy?
I'm happy.
Very nice. Where is happy? Good job. Let's talk about some school things. Boom. This is a board for you. Okay? These are some school things. Okay? And some pins to put the school things. Okay? So let's put them everywhere you want. Okay. Alright, we have the next one. Good. Wonderful. One more. Okay. Very nice. Okay, let's have a look at them. Tell me please, Moon, what is this?
This is my pencil.
Very good. What is this?
This is my glue stick.
Okay, what is this?
This is my ruler.
Okay, what have you got?
I have got a rubber.
Very nice. And what have you got here?
I have got a pencil case.
Pencil case. That's fantastic. Thank you very much. Give me a high five. Yes. Goodbye, Moon.
Goodbye, teacher.